At ayan, good morning ulit sa inyo, mga viewers natin dito sa United Basketball League. We're now on our second game for today. And now it's the same team. It's Mapua against Letran, but a different division. It's 19 under at this time. Ayan, at syempre makakasama natin ngayon live dito sa Nega Gym San Juan. And the other mic is Mr. Aret, ayan, player ng Rizal team sa PBL, hindi ako nagkakamali. Ayan, good morning partner. Ayan,
Good morning, partner.
start na nung ating game. White jerseys are Letrans. Mapua, pula pa rin. Early turnover by Letran.
Time to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot.
5 to shoot.
Basket by Bagro. Cruz to Hugo to Alforque to Gasingan. At the free throw line, wala. Laurenaria to Bagro.
No good. 14. Drive.
Reyes.
Basket.
Basket by Reyes, partner.
Reyes.
At sumagot agad yung number 22 ng Mapua, Santos. And it's 4-2 in favor of Mapua. 8 minutes, 17 seconds time remaining.
Alforque. Gasingan for 3. Basket. Next, Gasingan 3.
And a
There's a
foul
foul.
called by the ref
Number 27,
to number 27.
Justin Hugo, that's his first.
And that's a first personal foul of Hugo. Also the first team foul of Letran. Bagro. Nice pass to Bagro with that turnaround shot and basket.
Irene Alforque.
Alforque, nakapasok din agad. Nakabawi ng puntos. It's 7-6 ngayon,
Santos.
lamang ang Letran.
10 to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot.
No good. Tumatakbo ang Letran. To Cruz. Oh, that's a turnover.
Santos with that
Basket.
beautiful layup and he gets that shot.
Mateo Santos.
Lamang ulit ng isang Mapua. Gasingan. Pass to Cruz, back
For
to
three.
Gasingan. For
No
3,
good.
wala. Mintis din yung tira ni Alforte.
To shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Loriaga. At Mintis yung number 7 sa Mapua. And there's a foul called by the ref. Number 91.
Foul number 9.
Loriaga.
Foul number 91, Ben Loriaga, that's his first. First team foul on Red Velvet.
Wala. Rebound by Loriaga. Duque.
Okay, 2.
Pass to
Oh, turnover.
number
Mapupunta ang
7.
bola sa Letran.
And out of bounds. Bola ng Letran.
Yada, nagbababa ng bola. Pass to De Leon, drives. No good. Matakbo ang Mapua. Tubagro.
10 to shoot.
Oh, there's a foul.
Foul number 16. Now Quijada, that's his first. Second team foul squad.
That's the first foul by Quijada and the second team foul by Letran. 14 seconds to shoot. Loriaga for 3. Basket!
Then Loriaga, 3.
At ayan, balik ang bola sa Mapua with that steal by Duque. At ayan, diniretso na ni Duque. And he gets a foul.
Substitution. Foul number 23.
Foul number 23 ng Letran. That's De La Rama. First personal foul. 2 shots for Duque. Quijada. 3-point shot by number 20. Wala. Pushing foul, sabi ni Rep. To number 24.
Foul number 23. Junel De La Rama.
Or 23 rather. That's De La Rama. And that's his second
Foul on the Letran squad.
personal foul and the 14th foul of Team Letran. 12-7 in favor of Mapua. 4 minutes and 36 seconds time remaining. Basket. Yung free throw ni Duque. Bola ng Letran. Quijada to number 26. Back to Quijada.
Jump. No good.
De La Rama wala. Rebound by Loriaga. To Duque.
Then to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot with Duque. Nilabas
Santos
kay
for three.
Santos.
No good. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul number 26. Mikey Sumagang, that's his first.
Sumagang, first personal foul. Lorenaria, first shot. Wala. Second shot by Lorenaria, basket. And that brings the score to 13 against 7 ng Letran. It's a
Quijada for
6-point
three.
lead
Basket.
by Mapua. And now down to 3.
Dan Quijada.
Naka-3 si Quijada. 3 minutes, 36 seconds time remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Loriaga. Umikot pa. Wala. Pero nandun si Santos for the rebound. Wala rin. And now it's Letran's chance. Steal by Loriaga. Again with a turnaround shot. Wala. Out of bounds. Same ball tayo. Letrans ball.
Substitution.
Quijada. To 19, drive, kick out, pull up jump, no good. Rebound by 16. To 24. 16 for 3. Basket.
And that's a clear 3-point shot by Bernabe.
Goles. Drive. Oh, there's a foul.
And there's a foul by Bernabe, number 16.
Foul on number 6.
Through free throw. Ay, no. Baseline. Ay, sideline, sideline. Quijada. Drives. Oh. Foul. Through free throw.
Basket
For number
is good,
20.
sabi ni Rep. Oh, and
Foul
there's a
on number
foul
7.
na nakuha si De Leon doon to number 7.
Alan Laurenaria, that's his first.
Laurenaria.
13 foul on Red Rockets.
First foul ni Laurenaria at 13 foul naman ang Mapua. Mintis yung bonus shot ni De Leon. Duque. Maigpit na binabantayan. There's a blocking foul according to the rep, number 19, Goles.
Two shot for number 24. First shot. Basket.
And again, kasama natin dito sa ating commentators table si Michael Aret, isang player ng PBL. Team Rizal, hindi ako nagkakamali, tama partner. Ayan. Kasama natin siya ngayon. Let's go, let's run, sabi ni Aliyah Quinones, who's watching live sa ating Facebook account.
For
And,
3.
so us, the other
Basket.
116 live viewers. Ayan, shout out po sa inyo.
Janice De Leon.
And again, we have 10 games for today dito sa Nega Gym
Four.
Zone 1 at katatapos lamang ng unang game natin
Bernabe.
between Mapua and Letran.
233.
17
Number
under
2.
division at nanalo
Drives.
ang Mapua.
Kick out.
And now what you're
turnover.
watching is the same team Mapua
Matakbuhan
versus
Letran ngayon dito.
Letran, but now it's 19
Basket.
Janice De Leon.
At kasalukuyan tayong nasa first quarter with less than a minute
1
ang
minute.
natitirang oras.
24 against
19-17 in
19.
favor of
Mas-
Team Mapua. At ayun,
Steal.
still. And it's De La Rama with a layup. Wala. Goalless. Pass to number 20. And there's a foul called by the rep. Talagang lumilipad yung number
Foul number
20.
15.
De Leon. At
Foul
nakakuha
number
naman ng
13.
foul, number 13.
Taas tumalo ng number 20. Sakang laki pa.
Or 3-0. Oo. Laki ni De Leon eh.
Time out.
Saka mabilis siya sa height.
Red Rockets.
Sa height niya, mabilis siya. Kumilos. Yung number 20. Ayan, yung mga nakikita ni partner Mike dito sa ating mga player ngayon between Mapua and Letran. Ayan, tumawag nga ng timeout yung Letran team before the free throw ni De Leon. Natin after this is another school-based game between National University and Perpetual. Ayan, mamaya yan pagkatapos nitong game na
2
ito.
free throws from number 20.
Back to the ball game.
First shot, basket. Second free throw. No good. A rebound by 23. Quijada,
Basket
basket.
by Quijada.
Dan Quijada.
Banal. To Ariston. 10 seconds to shoot. And it's Bernabe. Pass to Ariston. Block by De Leon.
Shot clock violation.
Or shot
Shot
clock.
clock violation. Ball possession ng Letran team.
Shot clock is off. 10 seconds.
10 seconds time remaining dito sa ating first quarter with 20-19 in favor of Letran team.
5 seconds.
5 seconds. Basket by number 26 and that's Sumagang.
Aiki Sumaga.
Itong si Quijada, kanina ko pa siya nakikita. Last game pa.
Oo.
Letran squad.
Ngayon naglalaro
Sila
ulit.
rin yung kaninang first game eh.
Mapua Red Romex 19.
And that's the end of the first quarter. Ayan, partner, with 22-19. Lamang ng tatlo ang Letran dito sa ating unang quarter. Ganun din, sila Banal, sila Bagro, ayan, sila rin yung kaninang naglalaro doon sa 17 under division ng Mapua. So, kumbaga talagang batak na batak yung mga player natin. Partner
kondisyon.
Mike, oo. Eh kayo naman partner, kamusta naman ang laro nyo sa PBL?
Last game na namin yung nakaraan so hindi kami nakapasok, hindi kami pinalo. Pero inuna namin ng maayos, kumbaga tinapos namin ng maayos na nakuha namin yung panalo.
Nanalo pa kayo nung
last
pero
game
hindi na
namin.
siya enough para makapasok sa playoff.
hindi.
I see. Well anyway, marami pa naman pagkakataon partner Baka
Oo
sa
naman,
susunod,
habang
diba?
buhay may pag-asa.
Oo. Alright, ayan. And again, kasama natin dito sa ating commentator table ay si player Mike Aret ng Rizal team sa PBL. And back to the ball game tayo. Simula ng ating second quarter.
Baguio, teardrop, no good. Sa Letran ng bola. 4-3,
Wala.
no good. Oh, turnover. Napupunta ang bola sa Letran.
Last touch by Banal. Ball possession.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Letran.
14 seconds.
14 seconds shot clock.
Cruz. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul by Ariston.
Ball number 69. William Stone as first.
Cruz. Pass to 77. Oh, Cruz for 3. No good.
Rebound by Banal. Dinerecho na. Siya na rin na nagbaba. at
Basket.
tumira, and he gets that shot. Another score for Team Mapua.
Cruz. Pull up jump. No good. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz. Pull up jump. No good. Out of bounds. Pupunta ang bola sa Mapua.
Balik ang bola sa Team Mapua. And at this time, we have 22-21 in favor of Team Letran.
Reyes, drive. Oh. There's a foul.
Ball number 13. Team Ang, that's his first.
Reyes to the line. So free throws
On Red Robins.
for Reyes.
Second team foul na ng Team Mapua, Red Robins. Sa pagkaka-foul ni Ang. Basket. Second shot by Reyes. Wala.
Number 2. Banal.
Set to shoot.
Pull up jump.
Banal.
No good.
O wala.
Oh, may tulak na nangyari doon.
And there's a pushing foul called by the referee.
Kita ang bola sa letran.
Number 30, Ang. That's the second foul of Ang and the 13th foul of Red Robins. At balik ang bola sa letran. And now it's Cruz. To Gazingan. Nice pass to Reyes sa ilalim pero nabitawan ng bola. And now it's Banal. Na-steal naman ni Gazingan. Alforque. To Reyes. Basket by Reyes.
Basti Reyes.
Duque. Out of bounds. Reyes. Banal. Basket.
Basket by Banal.
Cruz nagbaba ng bola. Cruz. Pass to number 6.
25-23 in favor of Letran with less than 7 minutes
one.
dito sa ating
Oh,
second
trouble.
quarter. Traveling violation called by the ref to number 27. At balik ang bola sa Mapua.
Substitution. Substitution.
Duque. Duque. Pass to Banal for 3. Oh, there's a foul.
Three-point shot was basket. Foul on number 26 of the Trans Squires.
At ayun, basket nga yung 3-point shot ni Banal. Pero there's a foul called by the ref sa ilalim. At balik nga ang bola sa Mapua.
Reyes.
10 seconds to shoot. It's Reyes. Naghanap na mapapasahan. Out of bounds. Line ball. Same ball, sabi na rin. Bola pa rin ng Mapua with 3 seconds shot clock. Banal
for
once
three.
again for 3. Wala.
Tumatakbo ang Letran ngayon. Drive. Oh, no. Out of bounds.
Walang
Same
foul
ball.
doon, sabi ni ref sa pagkakalayap ni Goles.
Official timeout.
And out of bounds, bola pa rin ng Letran.
Nine, 10, 4, 3. No good. Rebound 47. Natakbo na yung bola. Spin. No good. Number 20. Drive. No good. Rebound by 23. No good.
Delarama, wala.
Banal. Tuduke.
10 seconds
Duque.
to shoot.
Duque, dumidiskarte.
5 seconds to shoot with Duque.
Good
to
pass.
Loriaga. And a basket by Loriaga.
Goles. Goles. Quijada. Out of bounds.
Substitution.
Substitution, Banal, out. Pasok muna si number 7. Laurenaria. Out of bounds, same ball tayo, Letrans ball. 14 seconds to
26.
shoot. And
Goles.
it's Goles.
Quijada for 3. Air ball. Napasobra yung tira.
Goles, nakita sa ilalim. Si number 23 pero block by Laurenaria.
Still by number 19.
Steal by Goles. De Leon,
Pull up jumper.
basket.
That's good.
Jazz De Leon.
Duque. Duque. Give me diskarte. For 3.
Basket,
By number 47.
number 47
Reyes.
ng Mapua. And that's Reyes. At libre naman sa pagkaka-layup. Si number 23,
Jeanette Delara.
Delarama ng Letran.
Reyes for 3. No good.
Another
Rebound by
3-point shot
Quijada.
by Reyes, wala.
Matakbo si Quijada. Good pass by the Quijada. Duque against Quijada. Oh. Out of bounds.
Out of bounds,
Same ball.
Same ball, sabi na rep.
Substitution.
Quijada. Oh, side step.
Jazz De Leon.
Basket.
Basket by De Leon.
Duque. Binababa ang bola. Oh. Dumidiskarte. Out of bounds.
Substitution.
Same ball.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
14 seconds to shoot.
Ang score natin ay 31-33. Laman pa rin ang Letran. Quijada.
Quijada to De Leon,
Goles.
to Goles.
To De Leon. Oh, block.
Back to De Leon.
Good defense.
Pero walang tinawag
Shot
si
clock, 9
ref
seconds.
doon. 9 seconds to shoot. Bola pa rin ng Letran. Goles to Delarama. Drives. 5 seconds to shoot. Nilabas ulit ang bola kay Goles. To De Leon for 3. Wala. Rebound by Baroka. Siya na rin ang nagbaba ng bola. And there's a foul, De Leon. Or rather, number 19.
Foul number 19.
Goles.
30 Goles. That's his first.
And that's the first personal foul of Goles. First team
Santos.
foul ng Letran. Santos.
To Duque. Duque. Dumidiskarte.
At nakita sa ilalim si Loriaga. With a
Basket.
turnaround shot and a basket by Loriaga.
Goles. Oh, turnover. Matakbo ang Mapua.
Lorenaria, diniretso na,
Oh,
wala.
no good.
Pero nandun si Santos for the follow-up. Another one for Santos, wala pa rin. At sa kanya pa rin ang rebound. Pass to Baroka.
For 3. No good.
To
Rebound
number 7,
23.
3 points wala. And now it's De Leon with that
De Leon.
layup, basket, and a foul
De Leon.
by Lorenaria. Bonus shot para kay De Leon.
And Laurenaria, that's his second.
And De Leon completes the 3-point play. And we only have 19 seconds time remaining dito sa ating second quarter. 15 seconds. Duque.
Duque.
10 seconds. Still, it's Duque. Dinrive na ni Duque pero wala. Nakakuha naman ng foul
Foul number 16.
to Quejada.
Dan Quijada, that's his second.
That's the second personal foul of Dan Quejada. 2 shots for Duque. First shot by Duque, basket. Second shot, basket.
Quijada, fake.
Quijada,
no good.
wala. And that's the end of the second quarter with 36-35 in favor of Letran. And that's the end of the first half. And again, would just like to remind na meron tayong 10 games for today here at Nega Gym San Juan, September 30. At ang susunod nating laban is between National University against Perpetual. Another school-based game, Division 19 under. Ayan. So magbabalik po kami para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating second game at simulan sa ating pagbabalik.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game tayo. Ayan, dito sa pagsisimula ng ating third quarter between Mapua and Letran, Division 19 under. And it's the second game for today, partner. At ayan, ball possession nga ng Letran, partner. And it's
Manalili. Oh, good pass. That's a good pass.
George Diamante.
Basket agad by number 24.
Duque. Pinababa ang bola. Oh,
Steal.
steal.
By Diamante. Pass to Baliling, and that's a basket by Baliling from Diamante.
Oh, steal again.
Steal
By
once
Letran.
again. At napalakas yung pasa. Libre sana si Baliling doon. And that's an easy shot by Team Letran at sa maagang simula ng third quarter naka 6 points agad, ano?
Oh, 6
Team
points
Letran.
agad.
Parang napakadali sa kanila ng 6 points na yun, ha?
Good start ang Letran dito.
Oo. Lamang nga ng 7 ang Letran, 42-35. At tumawag ng agad ng timeout.
Duque.
And shout out sa ating 110,000 live viewers and sa ating Facebook Live.
Back to
And
Duque.
again, we apologize kung medyo lag yung ating live
diskarte.
stream, ano? But then again, it's
Yep,
recorded
no good.
and it will be posted sa YouTube channel.
Tumatakbo ang
ng United
Letran dito
Basketball
ngayon.
League.
Oh,
So ayan, sabi ni Tina David,
For
go
three.
Mapua.
Romel Baliling.
Let's go. Mary
Baliling.
Jelin. Sabi ni
For
Justin Nag.
3.
Paul Justin Montebon.
Duque.
Shoutout kay Boss Diamante.
Pass to
Arriba
Baguio.
Letran. And shoutout
Number
to jersey
7.
number
Oh, nice
25.
steal.
Sabi nila Gawan
22.
Ilongga. Wala pa rin.
Padilla.
And it's Padilla.
Padilla. Dumidiskarte. Oh,
Ang ganda.
sa
Pero
tough
wala.
shot.
Sayang. Steal again by Team Letran. Diamante,
Good
nice
pass.
pass. Sa ilalim.
Baliling for
pero
3.
wala, nilabas ulit kay Baliling
No
for 3.
good.
Wala.
Rebound. Nasa Letran pa rin ang bola. Oh, no look pass. But hindi niya na walang kampe. Mapupunta ang bola sa Mapua. Duque. Duque. Gusto Santos to number 7. Drive. Oh, there's a foul.
Number 13, Jonathan Manalili, that's his first.
Same ball tayo. Tumawag ng foul ang ating referee dun sa ilalim to Manalili. It's Mapua's ball.
Players, please proceed to your respective benches and observe proper bench recall. Players, proceed to your respective benches. Observe proper bench recall. Unsportsmanlike foul, number 25 of the Transwires.
Sportsmanlike foul
Cyrix Hilario, 3
to
minutes
number
more.
25, Silorio. Ayan, unsportsmanlike foul ang itinawag kay number 25, Silorio. Medyo nagkakainitan doon sa ilalim kanina. And that brings Bernabe to the free throw line. Shooting for 1. Wala. Another one pa for Bernabe. Basket. Go, go, go. Let's run. Good luck to my son, Jonathan Manalili. Yan, sabi ni Madam Bernadette Manalili. Ayan, ang mother ng ating player na si Jonathan Manalili.
Bernabe.
Bernabe.
Hold. Bernabe. Teardrop.
Dinerecho na with a teardrop
good.
shot. Wala.
Manalili. Manalili. Oh, na-steal. Tumatakbo ang Mapua. Oh, na-steal ni Manili. Basket. Duque, nagdadala ng bola. Duque. Santos to Santos. To number 33. Duque. 4-3. Basket.
Duque for 3. At ayan, 47-39 yung ating score dito sa ating third
Out of
quarter
bounds.
with 6 minutes and 10 seconds time remaining. 47-39 in favor of Letran.
Same ball. Oh, turnover. Santos. Ooh, that's good. Basket. Mananili. Bumawi. Oh, there's a foul. 2 free throw for Manalili. First shot. No good. Second shot. Basket. Duque. Duque. Oh, good D by Padilla.
Same ball, sabi
Good
ni Ref.
defense by Padilla.
14 seconds to shoot. And still, it's Mapua's ball.
Duque.
Loran area to Duque.
For 3.
For 3. Wala.
No good. Oh. Out of bounds.
Out of bounds, same ball.
Manalili. Oh, 8-second violation.
8 seconds violation ang tinawag ng ating referee doon. So, balik ang bola sa Mapua.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Duque. Oh, still by Letran. Tumatakbo ang Letran. Manalili. Layup.
Manalili
That's
with
good.
a layup. Basket.
Duque. To Santos, to number 7. To Duque again. Hey, there's a foul.
And a foul called by the ref to
Number 11.
number 11.
2 free throws by Duque. For Duque.
2 shots for Duque.
First shot. No good. Second shot. Basket. Oh. Out of bounds. Napupunta ang bola sa Mapua. For 7. Kumalda. Out of bounds. Letran ball. Padilla. Drive. Oh, basket. Duque. Duque. 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 24. Matapulitan. Oh, nice steal ni Duque.
Steal by Duque.
Oh, steal by Letran. Padilla. Fake. Ganda na naman ng fake noon. Basket.
Nice fake by Padilla, partner. At tinignan pa si Lorian Eaga. Ayan.
Offensive foul, number 47 of Red Robins, Rylan Reyes. That's his first.
Offensive foul. Kay number 47, Reyes at bola ng Letran.
Cruz, dun may diskarte. Pass to number 6. Oh, ganda ng pasa. Oh. Pero nadepensa ni Baguio. Tatakbo ang Mapua. Noriaga. Dun may diskarte. Pass to number 7. Oh, napalakas yung tira. Cruz.
Less than 2 minutes dito sa ating third quarter.
Wow. Laki ng tira. Cruz. Alfarque for 3. No good. Rebound by number 91. 69. Pull up jumper. No good. Cruz. Dumi diskarte. Basta number 77, side step. Oh, nice steal ni number 69.
1 minute.
Pass to Baguio.
Basket by Bagro. At ayan, less than a minute dito sa ating third quarter with 54-44 in favor of Letran.
Cruz.
That's a 10-point lead by Letran.
Kasingan for 3.
Players, receive your respective benches. Observe proper bench legal. Players, all players. Double foul, number 27, Justin Hugo. That's his second. Foul number 31 of Red Robins, Stephen Bagro. That's his first.
At ayan, natawagan ka ng double foul. Sina number 27 ng Letran, Hugo, and 31 ng Mapua, Bagro. At medyo nagkakainitan nga sila doon sa ilalim, ano? Ayan, double foul sila. Second personal foul na ni Hugo. First personal foul naman ni Bagro. Tuloy-tuloy tayo. Ball possession again ng Mapua, and it's Reyes to Ariston. Ariston, binabantayan ni Cruz.
Step back.
Attempts
Basta
to
Loriaga.
shoot that three,
Bagro.
pero wala. And it's
Step
Bagro
for 3.
with a step back basket.
That's good.
Shot on the shot. 15 seconds.
Cruz nagdadala ng bola.
10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Cruz.
And it's Cruz.
Oh,
for
block
3.
by
Block by Baroka. And it's
Ariston.
Cruz. Nice pass to Hugo.
Justin Hugo.
At ayun, nakapuntos pa yung huling tira ni Hugo. Basket according to the referee. End of the third quarter, and we have 56-47 in favor of Team Letran. At medyo ibang players maiinit dito sa laban na ito. And let's see what will happen next dito sa pagsisimula ng ating fourth quarter. And
are you looking for veneered furniture components? We customize design and fabrication of modern furniture that perfectly fits your space and style. Filling your home with a beautiful creation of wood with VLF wood veneers. We aim to provide you the best quality in service and workmanship to further cater your needs. We specialized in manufacturing of veneered furniture components for various establishments, as well as residential and wood veneer installation and finishing. Our services include interior fit-out, space planning, veneered furniture components, supply and installation of veneer wall panel, modular kitchen cabinet, closet cabinet, fabrication of wooden doors,
Fourth quarter possession, Letran Squires.
Okay, back to the ball game.
And we're back to the ball game dito sa pagsisimula ng ating fourth quarter. Again, lamang ang Letran ng Siam with 56-47 at ball possession pa ng kanilang team.
Goles.
And it's Goles.
Pasok kay Yada.
Cruz, back to Goles. And ayan, may pito ang ating mga referee, no?
Foul number 91.
And there's a foul called by the referee to number 91, Ben Loriaga.
First team foul.
And that's
Red
the
Robin.
second personal foul. Cruz, libreng libre
Yada.
on the side. Wala. Reyes. Pass to Ariston.
Ariston, dumidiskarte.
Back to Reyes for 3. Wala.
Libay by Letran. Tumatakbo ang Letran.
By De La Rama. And now it's Goles.
Quijada.
To Quijada.
To number 19. Dumidiskarte. Oh, side step. Good pass. Oh, sayang yung pasa na yun. Reyes. Guarded by Quijada. Teardrop. Basket.
Roylan Reyes.
Goles. Goles. Dumidiskarte. Pass to De Leon. Oh, there's a foul.
Players, all players, respective benches.
At ayan, talaga mainit yung ating laban nga. Ngayong
Laban
second game pa lamang ito. Ayan, between Mapua and Letran.
Grabe ang mga gitgitan
So,
ng mga player.
nagkakainitan ng laban dito. Mga players natin. Na out of bounds nga si De Leon doon, pero
Foul number 47 of Mapua Red Robins, Roylan Reyes. That's his second. Unsportsmanlike foul number 20.
nakakuha rin ng unsportsmanlike foul
That's his first.
ang Team Mapua kay De Leon dahil naibato niya yung bola, no, kay Reyes kanina. At naman sa tiyan si Reyes. Well, that's, I believe, the second unsportsmanlike foul ng Team Letran in this game. At narito nga, 2 shots para kay Reyes. Basket ang unang tira. Second shot by Reyes. Wala. Well, kanina si Hugo yung natawagan ng unang unsportsmanlike foul sa Team Letran. And this past few minutes ago, si ano
Bola
naman,
pa rin ng
De
Mapua.
Leon. At dahil doon, ball possession ng Mapua.
Bagro.
10 to shoot.
10
So,
seconds to
Aston?
shoot.
Noriaga for 3. No good. Oh, foul.
Foul on number 69. Julio Ariston. That's his second.
And there's a foul, number 69, Ariston. Second personal foul.
Goles. Dadala ng bola.
Bola ng Letran and it's Goles.
Oh, there's a foul.
To number 77.
Foul on number 47.
And again,
Same
foul
ball.
called by the
Ryan
number
Reyes, that is
47. Reyes, and that's his third
14
personal
foul,
foul.
Red Robbins.
And that's a fourth team foul of Mapua. At ayan, inilabas nga muna si Reyes.
Goles. De La Rama. To Kuyada.
10 seconds to shoot.
Tapos to Gasingan.
5.
Oh, turnover.
Same ball, sabi ni Rep.
Ang score natin, 50,
4 seconds.
50-56.
4
In
seconds.
favor of
Shot
Letran. Kuyada. No good. De La Rama. Wala ulit. Kingston. Rebound. Oh, rebound. Oh, foul. There's a foul.
Foul on number 23. Janelle De La Rama. That's his third. Second team foul on the Transwaters.
And again, shout out sa ating mga live viewers dito sa ating Facebook live. We have almost 140 live viewers as of the moment. At yan, again, we apologize for the live stream kung medyo laggy, kung medyo naglalag. But rest assured that it is recorded and will be played in our YouTube channel.
Pull-up jump.
Basketball League.
Air
Short
ball.
yung tira ni Laurenaria. Resulting to out of bounds and balik ang bola sa Letran.
Goles. Verse 77 for 3, no good. Rebound by oh, steal.
And there's a foul called by the ref to number 23. It's an offensive foul, sabi ni ref De La Rama. And that's his fourth personal foul. At ayan, inilabas nga din muna si De La Rama. Bola ng Mapua. It's a 6-point lead by Letran, 56-50 with less than 6 minutes time remaining dito
Stone.
sa ating fourth and final quarter.
Number 7.
10 to shoot.
Ariston, basket.
Air ball, yung tira ni Loriaga, pero nandun si Ariston for a follow-up and a basket by Ariston.
Uy, good pass. Oh, there's a foul. 2 free throws for Reyes.
Foul number 91, Ben Loriaga. That's his
Foul
third.
number 91, Loriaga. And that's the third personal foul of Loriaga.
First shot. That's good. Second shot. Basket. Ariston. Ariston. Oh, drive. Pass to Bernabe. No good. Alforque. Alforque. Pass to Cruz. Pass to Gasingan. To Reyes. Good pass. Oh, ganda ng pasahan ng letra na yun. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul number 16.
True free throw by Hugo.
Foul number 16, Bernabe. Second personal foul, bringing Hugo at the free throw line. 2 shots for Hugo.
First shot. Wala.
First shot, Mintis. Second shot by Hugo, basket.
Ariston. Santos for 3. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul number 27. Justin Rugo, that's his third. 14 foul on Squires. Shot clock, 14 seconds.
Lorenaria.
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 5 to shoot.
Dumiscarte. Wala. Rebound by Bernabe. Oh, there's a foul. 2 shot for Bernabe.
Foul number 1. Arwin Alforque, that's his first.
First shot. Wala.
No good yung unang tira ni Bernabe. 4 minutes and 19 seconds time remaining.
Second shot.
Basket.
Cruz. Oh. There's a foul.
Foul number 69.
2 free throws for Alforque.
That's his third.
First shot. Wala. Second shot. Basket. Ariston. Dadala ng bola. Pass to number 22. Santos. Wala. Rebound ng Letran. Cruz nagdadala ng bola. Oh.
3 minutes, 45 seconds.
Traveling violation.
Traveling. Substitution.
Duque. Pass to Lorenaria. Pass to 33. Back to Lorenaria.
Lorenaria
Lorenaria.
is looking for a play. 5
Pass
seconds to shoot.
Santos. Oh, bad pass. Turnover.
Hindi nakita
Mapupunta
yung
ang bola
pass
sa
sa
Letran.
At ayan, out of bounds. Balik ang bola sa Letran. And now it's a 7-point lead by Letran. 60-53 with 2 minutes and 57 seconds time remaining.
Lex Gazinga.
Duque. Duque. Pass to Lorenaria. Pass to Bernabe. Oh, nice steal.
Steal.
Alforque. Layup. No good. Rebound number 33. Pass to Duque. Duque. Dumidiskarte. Against Cruz. Oh, side step. Oh, there's a foul. To free throw for Duque.
Foul number 6, Basti Reyes. That's his first.
Substitution. First shot. Pasok. Second shot. Pasok ulit. Cruz. No good. Out of bounds. Napupunta ang bola sa Mapua.
Under 2 minutes.
Duque.
Last 2 minutes.
To number
Last 2
33.
minutes na tayo dito sa ating
Reyes.
second game for
Teardrop.
today between Mapua and Letran.
No good. Tumatakbo ang Letran. Good pass. Alforque. Basket.
And it's a 9-point lead by Letran, 64-55. And it's a minute
Reyes.
and 30 seconds time remaining.
Reyes. Set the play. To Santos. 4-3. Cruz. Sumay up. Wala. Rebound. Duque. Duque. Dumidiskarte. Pull up jump. No good.
1 minute.
Cruz. To number 77.
1 minute.
Duque. To Bagro. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Cruz. Matakbo ang Letran.
Less
Oh,
than 40
good
seconds.
pass.
Arvin Alforque.
Alforque, basket. Duque. To Bagro. To Reyes.
That's the shoot.
Ooh, good pass.
Yuri Duque.
Good pass by Reyes.
Shot clock
To
stop.
Duque.
10 seconds.
10 sec. Mainit talaga ang laban.
Players. Players.
At ayan, kahit patapos na yung ating laban dito sa second game, talagang mainit pa rin yung ating mga players, ano? And now it's between Hugo and Bargo na talagang kanina pa mainit itong dalawa na ito. And we only have 3.5 seconds time remaining at lamang nga ng malaki yung Letran, 66-57 in favor of Letran.
End of the game. Our final
And
score.
I think that's the end. That's the end of the game
Letran squad 66.
of Mapua and Letran Division 19 under at nanalo nga ang Letran with 66 points against Mapua 57 at congratulations to Letran at this time. And now our next
Our
game
best
will
player of the
be
game is jersey number 20, Jan
will be
De Leon.
under 19 School-based National University against Perpetual. Ayan. So magbabalik po kami para sa ating third game for today.